Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're going to do it over here. We're going to do it over here. Don't. Come over here. Let's have a go. Let's have a go. Over here. Let's have a go. Good boy. Let's cut. Okay. Oh, Toby's turn. Good boy. That's it. Here's the knife. Here's the knife. Here's the knife. Oh, you are so quick. Okay. Toby's turn. Toby's turn. Hold the knife. Hold the knife. You want to play squeezing instead, do you? Okay, let's squeeze. Get ready. Squeeze. Oh my goodness. Come on then. Come on then. Get ready. Toby's turn. Squeeze. Toby's turn. Squeeze. Good boy. Here we go. Squeeze. Ready? Squeeze. Yeah, you're so clever. Get ready. Squeeze. Oh, that's a good joke. Get ready. You're going to do it in a minute, yeah? Squeeze. Good boy. Offer it to him on your hand. Okay. And then squeeze it hard in your fingers. Squeeze. Fantastic. There we go. Squeeze. You're brilliant. Well done. That's it. Here we go. We'll have another one. Different type this time. Look, ready? Roll, roll. Stand it up. Ready? Roll, roll. Stand it up. Oh, here we go. Roll, roll. Here we go. You're going to be quicker. Get ready. Ready? Oh, come on! Get ready. Oh, you want some more? Okay. You say, do it again. More? More? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Toby's turn. That's it, good boy. Oh, a little bit more. Ready? Your turn, make a little sound. Yes, you were squashing it. You've got to do it on top of his hand, okay? It's the first time we've got to learn how to do it physically. Okay? Oh, here it comes. It is the noise, Mummy. Come on.
Time to do the noise. Right.
Here we go. Yeah. Well done.
Not very good noise.
So it's a perfect noise. That's it. Well done. Here we go. Again. Yeah, you're so clever. What about this? Should we do a bit more cutting?
I heard that.
Okay, good boy. Thank you very much. Here we go. This one is for cutting. Cut, 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 cut. Clever boy, you prefer that one. Fair enough. Very good. Very good. Oh. You're remembering. And squeeze. Squeeze. Yeah, clever boy. That's it. Well done. Very good. It's genius. It's genius. So when we want to bring it to a close,
Yeah.
just do it. Yes, I'm so pleased you're remembering. Yeah, I'm so pleased you're remembering. Okay, I'm going to, well, those are Gina's bits, thank you. Thank you very much. Here we are, we're going to put it in the pot. Put it in the